Oh man, would you Adam and Eve it? I'm such a clumsy klutz. I've only gone and left the driver's window undone and the back window undone as I've parked up my car. Now I've got to get back into it, put the key in the ignition, turn the ignition on, do up the windows, turn the ignition off and take the key out so I can then lock my car. If only there was an easier way. Well, lucky for you, over dramatic version of myself, there is a way of closing the windows without having to get back in the car. Just simply get your key, press and hold the lock button, keep it held, and as you can see, all the windows do themselves back up again. Oh, it's boiling out here. It's like 35 degrees Celsius. I'm melting. I'm not looking forward to getting inside that car, having to put the key in the ignition, turn the ignition on, to be able to drop each one of the windows one by one. If only there was a fascinating feature for that. Well, would you believe, over dramatic version of myself, there is a way. Just simply press and hold the unlock button or your key fob as you're approaching the car, and all your windows will drop simultaneously. That way it'll get rid of all that boiling hot air inside the car in double quick time.